Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enjoy iQIYI content without paying. While VIP exclusive contents require a subscription, iQIYI also offers a library of free content that anyone can watch. You can browse the free section directly from the platform. Sometimes iQIYI may offer promotional trials or limited time events that provide temporary VIP access. Availability depends on your region and current promotions. For unrestricted VIP access, an active subscription is required. And that's it. That's how to enjoy iQIYI content through official options. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.